Hello, I'm Jonasz Rewiński, and this is Military Mind. Armed conflicts, defense and security, land, sea and air. We've got you covered. Ukrainian air defenses shot down 42 out of 60 drones launched by Russia overnight, according to the Ukrainian Air Force. The drones were downed over parts of central, southern and eastern Ukraine. Russia's strike killed 3 civilians in a residential area in the Sumy region, the regional governor said. Meanwhile, Russia's air defense units destroyed 18 Ukrainian drones over several Russian regions overnight. One drone caused an explosion and a fire at an ethanol manufacturing plant and damaged 2 other alcohol-producing enterprises in Russia. Meanwhile, a blast shook the biochemical plant in Russia's Tambov region, sparking a short-lived fire, according to the Tambov governor. No casualties have been reported in this attack. Meanwhile, Ukrainian assault operations continue in the Kursk region. Russian sources are trying to justify the slow rate of Russian advances in the area by falsely framing this direction as uniquely challenging. A Russian commander has claimed that fighting in Kursk is very intense and the most difficult frontline area of the entire theater. In the Donbass sector, Russian troops have come close to the northern outskirts of Selidove and are trying to bypass the town to get to the Selidove-Pokrovsk highway. Russian forces have also approached the outskirts of the village of Vishnevy. They are about 300 to 400 meters away from gaining a foothold in the village, which would give Russians a strategic advantage. This poses a threat to another road in the region. The third road leading to Kurakhove is already blocked by the Russian army. If Russian troops capture these key areas, the entire route to Pokrovsk will be blocked. Meanwhile, street fighting broke out in Selidove. The Russian army managed to advance about 500 meters in the east of the city. The situation remains tense and fighting continues. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, Hezbollah says it targeted Israeli positions in the Tel Aviv suburbs, including an intelligence base, and launched rockets at a naval base in North Israel's Haifa. It is the first time we have seen Hezbollah use medium-range rockets from this direction. First-person footage shows Ukrainian soldiers from the 3rd Detachment of the Special Purpose Center of the National Guard Omega unit storming and clearing a village in the Kursk region. This intense operation provides a front-row view of the precision and coordination of Ukrainian forces as they engage in close-quarter combat to eliminate enemy forces and secure the area. So, stay tuned for this exclusive first-hand look at the action on the front line.
Если это не я, сам пиздан.
The operation north of the village of Liptsi continues. As previously reported, 400 hectares of forest were liberated during the assault, with 3 Russian motorized rifle battalions, the Storm Detachment and the reconnaissance company of the 7th Regiment from the 11th Army Corps of the Russian Federation destroyed. The Kraken Active Operations Unit of the main intelligence directorate is steadily liberating the Kharkiv region, reclaiming every meter of the Ukrainian homeland. So, let's take a glance at how this operation went and what really happened in the course of the skirmish.
Україна! Україна! Свята мати героїв! Свята мати героїв! Зійди до серця мого! Зійди до серця мого!
Раскинуты, типа один, потом какой-то отрезок второй, или есть у нас линия? Какого хуя вы сюда приперлись, это вопрос.
Я. Правіше був. Мінус, пока мінус. Отвечай. Откуда вышли? Оттуда? Сколько метров прошли сюда?
Да мало.
Мало? Комарик, отходим до Чили. У мене є ідея охуєнна. Зараз забираємо другого підора. Чили. Коротше, підор живий. Він уже не жилець. У мене є ідея. Нехай зараз я йому попрошу, подойду тихо. Там є третій. Він його почне звати. Ми третього оборонимо.
Ротный, позывной и...
Резкий.
Это резкий?
Нет, это степ. Резкий и степ. Там остался Роба, по-моему. Короче, есть особисті речі. Телефон. Таке. Я. Цього шманали. Цей баран со вчорашнього дня. Баран новий раз. Другий ще живий.
Вот это, блядь, парилочка, ёбаный в рот. Покушаешь, блядь, украинской гречки, ёбаный в рот, с котлетами, охуенно.
And with this, we conclude this episode of Military Mind. Next deployment at the same time tomorrow, and in the meantime, please stay with us here on TVP World.